Let's draw the plant. And these are some of the plant parts. Roots that grow into the stem. Roots grow under the soil. Stem grow over the soil. From the stems come out the leaves. Let's color those leaves. And this is the soil that we are coloring. Now let's draw the flower that grow on the plant. They come out as branches from the stem of the plant. Now let's color the flower. The plants also grow fruits. The fruits are grown on the branches of the stem. Now let's color the fruit.